akọ na wakotie na numa asem simape na wahunu se upe baabi pa upe difo bi de ho akobata no a ye wadifo mu ahodo minimo hawo kora hawo wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene yaba ha ubehunu ni nyina moborofo onibie papa na basa so na eniji se mewom ne se o yale na aba na kache ha ono ama baabi a wo beda na wamoduane adi kosi se wo ubenya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe baabi akompai body a ejape kurum ene ewese woko adiji se bewom ni se bosumi bia oye all 91 ti baabi a wo hwe bia wetima prepare na wa baabi bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na oye no all 9 fa number na egu afidie ni so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo sa wote na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra ya frɛ me nana ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo jape kurum adum no nyame de ma yekwa wo se yemfa nche kwa media medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka nwisia mobro wafo oni ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wudi na wo meye wo ba ni nya gidie se wo ba no ana se wanka se mu problem na be dey ebe sofo gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase wo bi o yede ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me sisi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba ebe pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo hwanwan na be ju nsem me hyewura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be dia ba bia wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hweku a me se wo de beda anyi achinyi bomode abra na abeduru ha wo be hu nyame animonyam ene ne kese ye me number wo hwe ma kira kwa de benyam ye 0243 356583 bra na abeduru ha wo be hu nyame animonyam ene ne kese ye amen.
Radiant Pempen so adure. Be kwa ko family de hye me bibini se broni am ofedua no. No abesi trododo amatoa.
Pia. Enima, nada aí.
So by 3 days in the malaria no ma don't me kase ko.
Men twen kuda malaria kura no me ni bedi pa.
Asew, minda na ya brempon katachie. Menim sanyam tienti no. Me ba no, me boa me ho.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could brew. Who said that will complain with Sissini Koowaa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who drank a sepan and ne. You could brew. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. A yoko ni Sicilia drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal.
Thank God it's Friday. I just want to watching. Na yama Koowaa Edmo bako ejime this wo Kumawood TV. If you sabre ya ekosise no wotwe. Empemu everybody. It is absolutely stories making headlines in the world of showbiz. Ya bobo and they be make am say ya be to be up to so 7 periasa ama won so wo hu be etwa de ncheche on social media no eso. Me dey Ede Diane edu hire but then mamenka will say aboafo bi adaroma ena dada no omo eso yasene ema edijumedi yetbro. CJ Fashion so Kumasi Ameko moje bresha matade every single morning. So if you want to look good, Bomadiana friend or 0268505021. Now on an extreme common 0268505021. Or friend up. Ora kwami asamwa say obe Claudio ama won so OCP esita. Friend no makachiro mesisumi ensa 0268505021. and of course you look extraordinary well. And it's not about center for one more Kumasi swam and macro, Muguswa Ebwajuma. One more Nupami, no more the Abajama, so no S. Sanyarwa Bibri. Wadaroma say arthritis netito, a cocoa, a jail, Yadiano, mean your chain, enya doa every. Yadi be a bottom pimoni pedian, Tebruho, 7 pediasa. Na drew a year, a cyber center for Wakachi. Na womo ensa nyarwano enfama womo capsules no ebo adwuma emai mompebi na mononom da bia mekam se wawade e beso enso wodofo betia ka so te se magnet a ache no na ese fata so baby ye we say dia na wose wonya edusa herbal capsules na womemene and you're free to go edru no absolutely fantastic unumbia obebo wonsem amedru no emema numbie if we say beme na misrawada se wo hwe na sensan kitenkete abodom pem wo bema no ho a kosojogo form sadan sayem pebi na memene me pawacho if we say ma ye tutu atwerembo se me kama asama na wo se metomboase na me pawacho pa na meka ekyeremo kwara ko pebi na no ojo nso abeme mo ehyeso wo fe wo sensebi nyinya wanim ansa na watimi ajonso a eno ansa obe no me edusa herbal capsules bebena bibia betedin wo number so to ade ncheche wo screen no so entifa na wo no wonom entwetwe enkomo sanso ena make how say odifo na yeboa e wo jape kroma obo adwuma wo de she bia na adwuma ka no ye ne no ma basa wo sese no nkoyi kasa ne nkoyi tinunum no nkoyi ne bibia sebi what mun say ensisi so wo de an say obetabri no na na koda na ye odifo na ye boa e wo jape krom na ode nubna hahaman ne do nsi asane ya dia ama wo so wakoma etimi aso we him number so release screen and say pick it up, call him, talk to dad now and I say odifo na ye boa sise ya na one imbuki appointment na wow as a PSA biomo so enko enfama Dr. Amagana say bre e dey netiti wo diabetes pressure jaundice dear wo dia ne se obedru na kachi wodru na kachi a odinubina hahaman do see ebesa ya de no dia ama won so no apomodin etimi ayo dia wenum ne aboafo a abribia no omotabri omosika twitwidi eso yasen eme yesori ahomache de som ebetina ha edidumedi edebrewo ene me director ochinozo law ne oge MC so and a cameraman Kobe Frank aka Kaiwachi, executive producer Ora Samdakos and a Queen AJ Hipsy. You stream live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, streaming live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. While you watch on the program, you share for others to be part of. Hey, like I'm telling you today, I've already started my English because I know brofo. Latter part of the show is in the English, or probably is in English. So, if I will speak English, and of course, as Mercy will also speak English. My maybe na me mama Koowaa and I first stories to know and she's so Bushman International. You try to receive a great Johnson. Bushman. My first star baby. Nyame ka be bia home appliance to be be ewo na kachi Agric Junction. On my TV kakaka me them. And so bia go to Bushman. I don't know why they are smiling and laughing because of the English. But mu any betene be epe cry it is solely English. Latter part of the show. So get ready. Adorable the nation's uncle. Akwaba.
Bro, can I this was I said me man.
Yeah, me one say do bro fi. I said ye munyina mo di master make us some be kan bro fa na. Asmesi I hope better.
So they can bro fu dey no.
And I saw kan bro fu. So what's your problem then?
Oh, not that.
So when I said latter part of the show is in English, you're going to speak English. You started smiling.
No,
I don't get it. Why are you thinking about him? Think about yourself.
I'm okay.
Think about yourself.
I'm okay.
Better.
Jerusalem,
how are you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're fine. Have you eaten?
Oh, no.
Oh, really? Not yet. But you eat later on.
Oh, yeah.
After the show. Yeah. What will you eat, Banku?
Oh, I normally take wachi and
pepper.
Curry.
And pepper. Shito.
Yeah, shito.
Okay, and fish.
You are right.
And kahuru.
Yes, kahuru.
Me, I love kahuru.
Yeah.
So you're going to eat wachi today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I'll follow you.
Okay, don't
so
worry.
that you buy some for me.
Don't worry.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. I really want to put you in the mode of the English. How are you doing?
I'm more than good.
I can see that.
Yeah.
I can see the smiles on your face.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the English?
I'm ever ready.
I can see you ready because your mouth and your face is smileable, 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 smileable.
You all know Friday English is our breakfast. So no matter what, you will take it.
I love that.
I
did. Oh, we're speaking English. You're speaking Tree. Why are you spoiling the whole show?
When you come in, then you save small. So that you can.
You save small.
Yeah.
So you started saving from last night.
Started, yeah.
Oh, okay. Were you preparing?
With my landlady.
Did you go to your landlady to tell her that you're going to speak English today? So she should assist you.
Speak with me since yesterday night.
Oh, okay. So when you want to talk to your landlady, you speak English.
Yes.
So that she also reply in English.
Light bill, landlady, English. Water bill, you talk English.
Ah, are you telling me that the light bill and the water bill came yesterday?
There be any issue about light bill, water bill?
But are you telling me that you started discussing it yesterday with them? Why? The bills came yesterday?
The bill is not up.
Okay.
But I just want to save small.
Okay.
That's why.
So that's why you
I
went to her to speak the English word. So that
she
you
wonder,
able to...
say, why this time light bill issue? Yeah, see, I'm saving.
So because there's no one with you to speak the English,
yes,
you wanted to
go
to your landlady so that you can be speaking the English with her. So that today you get something to say.
Yeah.
I love that. I can see that you're improving. And you are a shark, but I wonder why you love the tree more than the English.
We are in our motherland.
Welcome.
Thank you, dear.
Did you sleep well?
I sleep well, pa. I sleep well, pa.
You slept well?
Yes.
Great. You slept well?
Yes.
Have you eaten this morning?
No.
What are you doing? After the show.
Eat banku.
I took oats.
Oats, okay.
Yes.
That's why you are throwing. Then bring us tea. Yeah. So that we can join.
Monday I'll prepare tea for you. Don't worry. When I'm coming, I'll bring everybody tea.
So that we can join you.
So Monday your breakfast is on me. It's a promise. I'll prepare tea. You like Milo?
Thank you.
Okay. Nice one.
Oh, I love it, Tinkong. So I'll bring you Tinkong and Kustia. You too, you like Kustia? Yes. All right, so I'm moving on. You love eggs? You see?
This man, if you prepare tea, you may cook a cracker.
Okay, so I'm bringing you my first story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show, of course, and then a brofo latter part of the program. So my last story will be in English, like I said earlier on. So that's why I'm putting them in the mood so that when it's time they can speak and speak it well. But I can see that they are well prepared and they are ready to to face me. All right, my first time I did bring up and say, yeah, dear, papa, your prophet, and or the income shall be abba. Na income shall or the abba and say, you about a queer polo, who na encrophobe gang of men na every prono. The Sikaku, the Jacono, Yanshe video ne, na Yanshe, the papa, say, yeah, still does, Uncle.
The latest thing that is about to hit Ghana, we have to pray for Kwapin Polo as well.
Okay.
Because me who gang someone repuno and she was dead in pool of blood.
Wow.
There are people more planning to rape her. The obewu, omobe repuno obewu, a group of people be. More than 12 guys. They will rape her. She was in the pool of blood. You see, there are so many demonic things hanging on the nation. But we don't say this thing. You can't same way say you can't because of say you perceive a GD, you perceive no. In painful say one in chini for ourselves patodo. And so the latest thing that is about to hit Ghana. We have to pray for Kwapin Polo as well.
Okay.
Because me who gang someone repuno and she was dead in pool of blood.
Wow.
There are people more planning to rape her. The obewu, omobe repuno obewu, a group of people be. More than 12 guys. They will rape her. She was in the pool of blood. You see, there are so many demonic things hanging on the nation. But we don't say this thing. You can't same way say you can't.
The prophet and or they in some way advertise about Kwapin Polo. Over.
Nyame ayade. Nyame do yi asem kire sa na mpese na ye hu de bi. Atempa ye ne yemo. Na ye nsre papa yi se o ma ku apim hunu ni obeye. Na ade ni ntimi mam. O ka se ye mo mpa ye ma no a sebe ye wa so fo bibira amo Ghana ha. Omo wezi mpa ya, omo wezi bi ma Ghana ni mu ni panyina. Ese ni nyina echi no. Antima anya adwuma de mi ni mpa ye fofra ye bo a akuapem betumi anya ahoto na saade no emamu. Nti onu awurade yi kire ne betumi asi so se ye ne maame nom na awurade so mo ya de se akura ne be yi ye oman ni nyina ye ono no papa ya nyame nam ne so eyi ade ne kire ye ana akuapem na wo bibia wo ya saade ne emamu. Ati ye be kan se moma ye mompa ye ma akuapem ne sa ya na nya no yi ko nkomhye na ba ye no eno no oti ase mi gidi yi pa se ohunu ye se ye nyame na yi ache no ampa ohunu ye be solution to akuapem problem no it is no ama na se de ya na mo kan moma ye mompa ye ne de na je di se akuapem no kra to ne ebi opem pa bo pa so why se ni nyina ache urade yi ache ese ade bia wo na de ban e woni ekura mu a ebetuma ma ade no asolve nti mesre ye omra bontin bi no me akuapem na ade na to na nya akwankyera wo ya e ma ade no asolve na me mompa ye ne de ubia hye nkoma ya no kan no but me hunu sa na no nye solution ye odi po wa nyame yi jense je nipa ne ba ne na so ana se tro ni nipa ni di ahia mu ana che nipa ni di mu adadie bi ana so man ni nyina na ebuwa no kro man ni nyina ni mu adadie bi ye wo kan mo me mompa se kra na ebe raise prayer topic na afa say na ebe si aye no
afa but Mr. Was it necessary for Eagle Prophet to come out to say that rather than say bia e was enko pray akuapem no retunen
me to me no ya na sa na ma na hu hia ma me but nipa wu nyina na wo tensem bia se first na we ba nka me go straight say oboa wo ti asem na se me nti ya me mama ka oboa no straight ne se nke ni nse nya me kwa so bibi se sia ye ko nipa ne nchen ana se ye frɛ no ami nyine no ma beti ade bia se out of nkomodie no asem bitimi pie abrana nka ne kwan mu no onye se sa na wo be ye no wo ti asem na se metimi no wadi nkomo bi na oni obi nso oba me pa edi nkomo na nya wadwe se nka abeka nkomo na me no wadi no ba se de nkomo no be de ne mpempenso ebeduru betuma ma ga se ayesa adan ko anu ofa so kan se sa ade wi no nso kra be ye ni sei o ti ase enya wo pese nkomo a me no wadi ukodi gongonsa wo ho ba out of nkomo bi e koso na family de no ho kakra nti no utimi ready de babeshem nti eno so no enhye dan ha agini pi bi ase di ifuo bi ebeka bibi etesa so dia na wa nkan so a anka no so ha agini o dia say but na nka ni femu ne de e wo so tracy because Eagle Prophet adru wonya sebe akora e na wonya small eyi a say akuapem benya ko na Eagle betima kate no okira ni beje say Eagle Prophet afrew because no so ka ho nti na wo say nka search for number no utimi ye no phone call but anko ba no sa na aba ne say ya menyini say we ye nim guase obi besu owrepun obi ahunu de enya nim guase a e wo say etimi bo amane na oye de o prepare nya meka ne say o ma baba ne nhuru ne etuam na wo hunu ba bia wo tu na na mo afa dan say ya kan ne say ya na ye mompa ya na metuwe matene sa mi hunu kan fa so ready prayer topic je bia me mo bi maneda
it's on fa prayer topic
on fa mana bi ade o ya ebe ma ade na so obo ye nyina na wo se ebo ano so obo ade kro ni din dwan ya ye nyina ebe hunu mo a ede be bo aba no nyesa so abeka ne se ya wie on frɛ no kokua mu nso so mfa nso se sei na awurade ka kyerem se wo ya sa ade ni ntimi mam ese etno ma ne be ma nya no na be kyerɛ se ya ben
okay nja nkuta
ai dan
Ekela kasa
wakasa baba bonfin wakasa yemfa konye nso na nchia ofunso pasi to ya na se Ghana hanu minim asofo no na bia ya no mu friba me nti o masi o asofo na kasa na o so mu ye ID4 me nti o masi
adentia
no ene na we ya isei ena we ya isei ena nkomhye we na aba nkom enti o de yemfa we kwanye example yemfa we nye example covid di bae man na betimi abehye ho nkom se covid na bia sei na kwa bi se ne fa so a ye betimi free o hawnu
until come shaba fan who man can.
Debbie. Am I?
Hey.
Debbie.
I don't know what I.
Me say, am I?
And see, go bois.
Or what?
I didn't tell.
Debbie, me as of for no. Ayana, me Thomas. We are over as handsome we are, and now person or from Kakra. And now person trendy.
Ah, na say ego dey. E ba ni trending dia na say.
Minimum profit. But why a crapping polo?
That is what God revealed to him.
Nah.
Why now?
A basana. Ya na mi di omo ho yawo. Omo mo hye san kom na di omo ho.
Bra mi twa no sweetheart. Mbese mbisa say wada roma. Say Nyankopon na ne ho adi enche na di fo na.
We mu na nkasa na this time is our prophet we mu no. Mamusa. What wa no ebusrim ka. No be kana sem no ko. Ekwapim polo why na ekogripo no. Ah nipa dumi no ekogripo ekwapim polo. No. I can't get it. No, I can't get it.
Really?
Yes.
This is prophecy.
No. Don't deny my facts.
Okay. It's your opinion. It's your opinion. Please go.
Oh yeah, okay.
Go ahead.
Why? Why all these prophecies? Instead of you to say something about the situation in Ghana here to face the Ghana, you are telling, you are talking about the crap.
This time,
there be a son and a hammy. Don't say me kabako from. We kabako from. Yes, see, face the Ghana, a crapping polo. I don't know, Ghana once and no more crapping polo once. And then why?
But why am one? Nyamia yi ade no ma bia dia kire no difo.
Onyi
na odifo ya ba beka. Enti you person ka say nyami twantro.
Me say Diane onyi
nyami twantro.
Me say me opa yentro challenge. Me say onyi.
Wone ege prophet ne kwadai. E na nkom hye ne ba e no wo hu say enye no kre.
Onyi.
Hey, the way you say onyi dia I wonder.
No. Sa. Me de e ba sana na.
Hometi. Enti enye no kre. So me come
It means we are grabbing polo afam. Yeah, with us.
Hey, as I'm with you, one because Odifa and was round so. Then you may then maybe a dear channel. Then Chankuta tells the day be. I'm surprised. And see what should be who died. I catch no.
No, me swan, me catch us to see. They said they know fire can. And Kaweno, and Kawasaka Ebia, oh. Mamusa, a yiwi, and the idea with
and one okay.
And I make an or send Kobe ni panel. Now we would debate to social media na day. Would debate to social media no, and a day now we free so. And teachers a nip a baby no
sorry, I'm just interrupting you, but me pacho one fact like social media no debate to and Emma who feel say enye no kre.
Deep within me, no, never be one man.
Winnie, no. And to be who come say prophecy no be catch the war. Winnie.
Why never be Benjamin home come say? Who be at me? Becoming good you. Mean quiet, but me quiet, me of 4 bar. Not becoming once and one to say, get better to social media. What about why? All right. Debbie,
not testing.
No, I'm one say we are saying anymore. Okay. Yeah, only my back me Libya. I was say only parties here. And a deep one tears here, who brave as it. And yet, you say at first, I saw check here. A deep one, the normally will be mentias here by studying Yamia Samuka. But I go studying Yamia Sam Canon and Sanka crowd, and the beauty nipper. Ubia by a software. And send you our car, a pretty pan and a brado door. No, you're really panic room, you're one money. And the beauty to see us will be the and the check is will be a see you when could have been here. Now, will be willing to man con and channel can air. One over Mount Granite to a game. It was me, the pressure brace you, no cram, who none care, but say, where you could have been when you are. Okay. It's any pan, your ban, near Huneka. na se beta frache ama ya boane mpai bom se ade ni betumi ayi ye nka na bonten but ye wade bi wa se nipa na ahwehwe so mbeso mo ye no nya hunhumu asem eno de o ka emanipa na ni ba no se se ne obo ne soro na hu ye yem hye no kura na ne opra ni nyina wogya iguo de tom na bi na bi ba ya ye hu difference between ne wose ye ka ne ene ne ni kwase ye ka ne o de no to nchen so first na asofo ye crusade ba ene wontan hu no bi first ntwam ayi bia hu sa asofo ko kanyame asem ko group nipa ebi kura yi ya no betimo hu sa de ne be mprensa reason ne se na radio ni ho tv ni ho ntibede ne nipa ate wonka TV abaso ye one pe radio ye one pe sika obetua ansa no wadu ntu ni bia ntimi nka nyame asem so otoa wo abobo ano de a wa beba crusade na asa betie nyame asem but na so photo airtime o asole ba bia o mana sole but o ye ne fana onko asole o te bondugu a o hwe no di ohunu so o preach Sunday bia ho no ye na asole fa so ti asem na sinti abo amanyame so ma ye tiawa
okay
ndi to mire bia ade bi fa media so se nipa ye nya santi ase no because na sole ba na wo mana sole no wote ho no na wonnim no be da ate ne a ekoso ndi ye woni south side mienu na wo sa Christopher ye flat ye ehwe ye beti ase se de wi ase no afa media so aye tia no na ne ma ne bi so nye easy ma ye sa ye de tototete de no a da bi on be wrong am I
all right my comment there na couple of messages I want to drop them or chip them in before I bring my second story. Yes, in Chankuta. Look this way. I'll meet you. Let me run the show. Okay, me few. I'm going on
because of the watching issue.
I won't mind you. I won't mind you. I won't mind you. I'm going on. I don't want you to interrupt you. I'm not going to mind you though. Hey, Ifodu is watching us live. Ifodu says that good morning, my sweet, beautiful Diane. Good morning. I have this from Ifodu says that good morning, sweet Bishop and Inchankota. I guess you're greeting all of us. Allo Konda say, see new here, offer more fire. All right, welcome. Ifodu said, good morning to my sweet Bishop and the new man. They call him Inchan Kota. Emilia from Poma said, good morning, or good morning to you. Ifodu said, I love how Bishop is speaking the English. Bentel Robert says, I'm enjoying you guys. Inchan Kota, you are great. So, I say, you are great. So, as my guy, Lumba. Thank you. Kim Pilato or Palati. Ken Pilato, that's your name. Yeah, forgive me. I'll take my time to mention it properly for you. Yeah. You said that good morning to you guys. How are you feeling today? Today is only English. Yes, we're going to blend them together. Amanka Positive says that Obapa Honfe, dear Diane, you look different this morning. Okay. Kojo Hero says, good morning, sweet Diane. I really love your program. God revealed to condemn. Equiapim Polo should not take as as a joke. You should go and see powerful prophet and greetings to Obotan inside for Mem Zongo. I think the person can say Yankupo Yitra now I say in Tebeya Equiapim Polo and find serious no great men of God na afe no or more Empire and for home. Our French brother say bonjour la grande famille Kumawood TV. Bonjour monsieur. Diane, where is Ujam? I miss Ujampa is from Isifu Sali. Isifu, thank you for your message. Mila from Poma says that if I don't rush the English, it's not time yet. The other guy will finish offer today with English. Kai! Francis said, Diane, it's not true. Please don't support him. You're talking of the fact that I should not support the ego prophet. Francis Daku said, God didn't work this way. It's false. It's a false prophecy. Okay, so if it's a false prophecy, we're here to say Dada Kizaro says that good morning, Ghana. The prophecy is not true. It's just imagination of Alumba. I miss you. Jimmy Walker says that good morning, Koowaa Show. Offer talk sensibly. He is too much. I am watching you live at Sepe Timpom. Francisco said that Diane, you don't have faith, crowd. You just believe this prophecy. That's how you say it. I'm moving on. Isifu Sally said that of a lumbar, your analysis is so perfect. My second story, I'm a bro, and I don't pay any say. Now, what you want to to just say, or what senior brand TV are now on a police in bar. I think it's 24, 25 or something of that sort. Yeah, our damn and go a champion. Now, brand a free a year or what say a copy our damn and go. Okopie said any CEO so koche ababa wano with a different man who said then according to sources no nature say ababa wano police neighbor no or ni military guy be champana. I believe strongly say no and the boyfriend here ofi obwasi ekopie so e dey unchi buy ya abranti e wo e ye police ni be sikan ekono. It is alleged na way and I shisha abranti baby you no. Police for to omo aguma hwe na yi hu nene ye da sorry ya beto dwa say wo mako akoche abrantie no e papa e wo boase wo mo say papa no emo wo mo with investigation wo me hwe video no na yemra no do sa na to ada pa still that's
ana oka wudin kadi to TV nation no wo de aduro ni BAC won ma ani otumi say wanom be se fa ana uko na jana nso a ene otimi so onimu wie na ne afia de wo fi papa na no na ye wie na abantie ni dan da ho enso abantie yi ni enti nyantie akwa se obi akowu da wuram baabi e ma semtrefo ye bo anan ko na nso kodi won na sabi eye obi anadwimu ka no taka se bodamfo yi bi ana wawu eda ho no mo enukwa nam so ma ekobọ cancel for amane ma anadwunu ombe yi emu ni di free ho nanu na obi ntumi nkyere sa bantie numa adure yi wieye so akowie de babio so akoye dianyo we ana enam so ma sesi ade aposti for wo boase o matimi akwachi Louis Asante ne papa opanyi Joseph Asante wanya 59 years o makwachi no na mikobusa oboase divisional commander Yeva Joseph Anaba se na abanti papa din to makwache no ana wo kire mu se abanti anu di ewu e wo da mangu e ba obo ase no nanka brono wofo e pa se omu achi abanti no no mu ze ne papa ana ama yanchi abanti ndi pita abanti no timi adwane a ene papa ne ka hu bi pa ana ene timi adwane ndi ese papa no ba police fo akati na obabu police for na omu ye hwehwemu no mu ba report ya ne ba abrantie no ewo me bo anaisa akwani assembly member on batem atwen kombo ana o kire se enne da ya o mamrantie na tie agunwuram na se abrantie Louis Asante esu se wakunim plan no se wanu
ofa are ho
empanyi so wo a wo bone a o te ba bi nka
sa
ya na hwe na re wo a eye so be wo ba abre ne ho am na nyina duru fie bi sei na nya ni munyam hye no de ba fie no sama eja asabe wa hwe wo so abanyama ne onya bi da na fe de udi atrantwe wo abanya efie edi adanse se e ba na wo no hu yie pa because in company fo duru sei ya no hian so odi ni birthday na wo da ne ma etwa ne ho ahia we ya faka sebe nkonya ne ba bi ko no na nkore ya yi na se fe ba ni nyina ntimi anko basa ene e ba na wo no be ma na nhye na nimonyam na emomode ya odi ene bre ene de ama no we ne di adanse se yes no mo wo mo yes me ba de me mfa ne ho no e di anie wo de me mfa ne ho adode asem be ba na abu nse fa ho anka ene se me ba sebe yes okutre nkodi na sumasi na mampa ma meto ne pa wo di asem na se ntize mi nkono na akwa kodi na sumasi nka ne sidi we simu se ne bere ene amane enso ya na ntete no mebodam firifie nti awufo nyina nsua se oba wi ni wasua no ma na nye me mfa ne ho ye woso se chi ne eye biaye so otimi ya na maye na woso me chi ne tum onu mum di kan wa ban fie ho na obeba na nsesa ye beba eye better than say obemu onu mum akoye ne ye de wo mum di kan wa ban fie abra onu wi ni bi da ndi ensere wo obi nim se ne ba ye kromfo pa akoka ba no age na hye ne yam no okura bi oso ofa so ma akura na ni ba na ho so hunu se wa ba wi ase ndi oso opa bra bi bonu fa so oso ye je ni ne kwa wa so ne nsa fa ne ko sa de na mba ne ye no ena ye nche ne de ba me de da me che no enti mesramo won sachira onie 2 years won go fa ayibu mu nsuanya nsa no obabie mu a wabenya no se n'aganie eno no ya na nya se utirimo odene abata ne nta ma kwansa nche se utirimo ode ope obani yie ope ne dachi yie mana nimra ne ho so se ati obi kotum no oba no adane sofo obade a wodi ye ne ko bo betuma sesa da bia meka se ayi aban fie ho no nye nipa nyina na ekọ ho a se bia ye bone nti na omukọ ho nti ya na ye se ye papa no se akura akodi bone wo beduru fie ye hunu no na wagina kan tan so amene nya ko adwane amene wo befa problem mu sesen ha ye sa fie we no asumdie fie ye ne sa odeboye ni timi ko ne wabo bra patimi ko no obi ntimi fa ka ma obi no akọ report no se we dia man shada se ni age na to reason ne se ya franto ani papa bu na kuni dinya so aye bone o ti asem na se edia se ade bi si a ye de ba na ye de hye bi ko wa maye nsuo si ade ne ko ye hunu no kura no nkan wo beba because on the cross Jesus Christ was there and armed robbers was there.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean Jesus Christ also is a thief. What you say, but you be binti no mu nyina akohia asemi ane so. The same apply to prison. So fu betimi akọ, armed robber betimi akọ, archbishop betimi akọ, sabi wa hin mpon bi su betimi akọ, and just wo mo ya de boyefo. Nanso bi binti, ane ye so mo nkotwa kakra ne ehunu no kra ye de. E wa asem bi mu. Idi abesre. Ti ehunu si ade hye bia ye sa, e ma ne nya ye pi. Nya so be hunu no kra se ha ne ye de na ekọ. Na ye nkuku no, ye nkupira no. Eno ne hia. So no this shirt if you abon se buffalo so abaye tam nako. Se obi na abopa na emetofo ne wuni idea. Ndie no na wo ye panyina, odi wani hwe hunu se ehe ne ye de na ekuro. So just na wo straight you hunu se wo ko ba bia ye aban fie a wunim ho de aja me mfa ne nko. Okọ no woni fa. Ye ba sa de no aba. Ama asumdie aba. Na branches we bi ota wo hwe ye bia. Bide bi boy bi ka bi chem Ilasha Molope. Ni okoka so bofo awi ni panso ya ya chi ni wi oba o so fa o ya fu o titi ni so say han obi o she bi ma 24 hours ade ne banana ni ba bia me she ezo otimi say na onu adwane nyina no wo he edi sa na we de ne betimi aye
de we adwane no
ni ba bi ote edi so wo he me anope o ma ne nyansa se beta frata wo se da wo
onu amra
na be ma wo se akoda fiase ansa na wa ba de e ni wusem omra na papa ne mfa ni tumi ene na ho ode nta na chi se obefiri mu danse what's the back one son later waba
but according to video ya ehwe of our hwa na esi omoba be chiro no papa na amakwa ma ya nchi no
dan no de onse obi am empene se metuo de sie na se be me no obi de ti na dan me no na wo fie se wunua na makọ ne nchen aba me ba ya se wo wi ti ye ba be chime ya onse that pain be di me obe forget wo na aba e de no aye one na girlfriend be de no mo hu se yo no sa ya oni ntim be se o mpene me mfa akra bi kura ntro ne ye twato ne so ba da akra na wo se ohunu se na wa ya o ma akire no ne papa tren so na ne papa na aso ne nsa na ye fe o ba sa obe yiwa enye de ne sa se bibi sa ba na papa ji ugina mu wie na ato botena ne nche ka no kure wo mu nyina akire na o de wo kwa o was started bebere me mese me so ama bi no mutimi di nsemo ne ne achew me papa wa mpene da ba nipa na ko yo ka no kra na onu atimi ko no he da hiti kwa boni sanza ho na to ye we wo fie me de san gwa mu fa ni she me se mu fa ni che mu obi aka yami na police for na kuma to mu yam as papa no so ngwa sia sam so ye de wawuram na nwumre no aba nye nipa na ka ma se wo fie kra na we ba we eno de eno no wo so me ye janya abotre se ja wakofa ba wi na ye sa police for nkra na ese sere se jina ne yenyi no ohun eyem panyin sam omunim ha omsi ye no ba se okoye ntwan se wadwane na afie de force na abeche papa yi e de na wo kan obi ma ye kwaji atu
papa wa makwa me afa na
wa de asem na se se aye abufu ti wo
wo akola no so won pese papa be de
mo wa de asem na se o se opie ba
all right jankuta
yeah Diane
babe
don't say your friend is saying me di ni ma bi ho yawo
okay
about time say on say nkane no ni on kwada boni suku
yeah
se akora no di boni o di boni wi a obo mo say ni ma mi na say ni papa so ne sa o se me de ne kon kwada boni suku e de ne wo ho no a o de okoye okusia de e ho na akọ ana ye de ya mo akenten se fa konsuo ni e de ankresi wo ni ya mo akenten se fa konsuo enti ekoya obefa so a
ebe ma
no ejina wa so enti se na abatan no e na ahye mmofra no takru ye show me takru because Sisi ekura suku kura no ye ma akraba. Suku.
Ebi mu bo.
Ye ma asebisi. Ama mi bi di I teacher ni bi court. So ya bone ba.
Yeah.
Ya tia kura no. It is say say mani nyani timi didi ma ebi wie sa mpempenso we say. Because akura no yentia no enti wa etatwu na o teho. Wonu de me kire no.
Yeah.
Enti no wo ye bibia enkano say say ade abi koyi e de asemi sei ene beba. Enti bo say no na musa na okọ. Na ekowie no so wie a ebi na ofeka. O say papa no na sisi abi wie no so.
Yeah.
Ebi na say de me kan ye papa no wantia ne ba no wan hwe ni ye wan titi ni ye ena sisi abi wie no so yo. Sisi wo no say e wi a wa no bi da. Sisi nso so e ba wi sema ya do be ko. So hu de be kire no. Enti no yemma abatan no animra omo so e wo ye mofran titie mu.
Okay.
E free ene e di ko ya make. Yeah.
Piao. O say yema ye ne da ho e fa yema no e ho. Make us say streaming live on Facebook Kumawood TV, streaming live on YouTube Kumawood TV. So while you're watching the show, you share for others to be part of it. Na me de me that story ebrewa na ene. Ensem bebre ene kosofa. Na ensem ne bia wuti bisa won say, "Eh, so we cried it."
Dey. Yes.
He said, "Oh, you know how far?" One time you.
It's me bopusa kra. Bopusa. Sure.
When him say, there be I see entire bills, entire light bills. Me mbu abai no ma yintwitwa cables ne ajade na abranti bia ye chi no say onono owi abai cable CB ene ajade no ene ne ho nsem aba na ye de ne kwa akotuma abro sem o kan a ema me kasa ye tintin na ne say osine ekom ene dem ene ma ne kwa kutwa cables ase ko wia aban eno mai bi it's we a community nyana na me nyano me hwe video ni na me ti o 5 in step dance
ele me to bin kam obedi bi
Ma ho pe na e
ta so dwawi o ho ayefe kakra na ufi krobenso konongo udini yesei bala na ugai ne mudin a ode to nwum ne enum one stick hey one stick I swear to God. Hey, our best friend.
best friend.
Hey, we are champion. We tiba police station. We have a bokro no. Na some moja na udi. You said the way okay.
Lay your body down. Come and lay your body down. No one like you, baby.
I sure cool.
If I give you my heart, I give you everything. I give you my love. I give you what you want. Oh, baby, can't you see? Oh, baby, nothing wanna change my mind to stop loving you. Oh, baby, tell me anything that you need, girl. Your mama tell me that I should never hurt you. I'll never touch you for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
Baby, come and give it to me.
Swag and so high.
I'll never leave you alone. Eti du bibe kana wabe jami asimo ati. Ini obiati se uati girl. Baby girl, give me your love. Baby girl, give me your love. Come and lay your body down for me. Only you that I need on my way. Nothing gonna change my mind. Only you that
I way ye cheno. Say owia electric cables e police station. Na wanya baby nwia cables no. Say police station. Police station no aban fie. E na okowia e. Na bisa no so komode no. Teja. Okwa kowia. Na so akoto no nya kakra apodwe. E na ohu abai. Say mo fa no bo nche na mo nya na manenko. If you say e okọ. Over.
Da ma mo se ma wo fa se kromfo e.
Adentia.
Kromfo ne ne develop. You kromfo musician. Atia kromfo nyina ani.
Really?
Ah.
because also you mean
what you are going in. Diana, oh, some glue with you. But if I baby, I made that. Maybe all your chrome for no MP who could be up with for an craniage. What you have some nothing? Because I'm gonna have mining moon call for. I'm gonna secure dinner, a deal more. I'm gonna yarn could say or Montias, a chrome for baby, I am moon fee. I'm on pep once a monka. I'm the boo you 2 away a second, I am monka once. To me, I'm per se. Ghana chrome for Yanka Yamayadum. No many no mutu no makuko droni yanka nya yentimem fo no so yanya ewe menyam na mbia adwuma ene ma bia mo nya bia ye dinga kom di ni se ne de enko mo so mbia adwuma mo amie no na nko wo mo so ene sa ande ya na ma firi because omo wi om ba ko mienu na pressure om de ma de brandan tetaya so no om de tambani fo na so ma ko na ni ba bon ho so se o ma na adwuma nim o mo se maburu no kom de wo mo bre dinga ye chim se ya nchim mre because na na juna ya de branta beta na so mto be bia adwuma se be ya maburu ni benya bia ye
okay
but akromfo ni jimi ba ko ne so mo nko ho na me of am to aminika pre ugbo ano ketu na o hia mantem wo ofu na no de ateta wa so no ade eno na ya na ye me ya wo mo ho ba we said we sia kon no professional asa wo ko bokro no asa aka kire o man ni mpanyimfo se ekom de ye say no no head aye ne kro no no does am pa posifo nso de o sia yo ma ya de papa amma ne dokunu bi adi asa the talent e woni mu kire wi ase se na ko yese ya o me yese
okay
o ma ya de but o mu wi o mu nyeli no eno de sabe wa bodama nya na ngwase hene dan achi e ko basa wa disrespect sa police station no so otimi fine anche no angaza police fo nya o so mo djuma hwe o mo because mu amusimu ye security fo a mo bo o man ho ba na mo ade da makache na mo antima ho ba ya eze nya aduma na mo ye no ndi azu tu mo ne fo na otu akurafo ne fa baabi o ya ade o de akasa akere o man ni mpanyimfo efiri ho de a wajimi o so o dem
okay
go ha said o ni si ede o de fa ne se wo ye o ho jonki kura e na agogo custom na ojiro bi store nim e na o nya otutu ya Ghana de se ahumọ bro na yewu ko bi de ni je beto question collection one city amount
okay
for Central Market na ne nyuma wo tu ya de on fa ne bet mo ni mutim kon se ya no won to no wonye ubenya jomfo mo mesra kwa ni edo na aza na oh ne ni edo oh ni atututu ubenya bibi kakra didi
yeah
anaza nka de ye pawo pani na fa wo brand ni yese obi de ne ma so anaza ehu na brofo nim se ko ubozo obi kra ni beje go so ma 1 cedi abonso ma 10 cedi ewiase no nyame ma ya dene tomle bia yenyusu media wo ye boapa ya de se anya mmobo eni obedi aye owe na no kro hye na owie we nyina na so be sa akobo kro no antim fa betre we nya adwuma me wo fafo amafo me so de bia ma betra na mechem du de won kreti bibi na o ma na nyintum na so kro no na de ba me sa de me nso so omunyeri no omu mantre 4 years a okoba se nyum na ye na adwuma ho fa ni agro wo de nyum no be ye adwuma ai
3 years
ai eso akura na aso em mo ntia 3 years ko na wo chime bi tin kuntan a sefo no mtimi di wawu ansa na wonya ade no akọ ndi oso mtimi chi no na bia na okọbọ okro no kura so hia na mu kase because ogu omani mu ase
yeah
o di ase na ngwase hene si wa jai se bi nam juja na chesa ponchi suni dan achi ese what disrespect no as wo hunu se they were jai na nam kunkum ti no o ba chesa wo guy nko anu de obasa yuti afiri so di mesre antaye ndi aban ne nsi to 8 se abrante we kom 4-5 years bi aba no oba na ni beda o next time nyame jane ne a obaye hu adwuma on fa ni agro ye wo maburu beberegu yakura ase o mu talent ya nwuma mfa
adagra musician
wo ti ase ba still an o mu dipa ukogo so kokuzayo ne ne adagro enso o tene wo fadra store o tun adura ne ye betua nke obo anu an eduru nwuma no akọ record ba uduru go so for legend enso bi kura kumasi ye nim no ade no ngo bokro no wo ye nkakra kada bi duru na fa ma na kwasi boy mu nyina gugu o mu panyuma bogobre mu nyina o mu eto a mu ye nkakra se befa na wo se be panyini te se wa wo wa betire we no na nyame adom nyom tuo se ya ngie sate de ho bonkofo bi dipa o po bi o record label na akoba tansra akra no ye PA
is it to to butter a record label
it be easy ya na ya mpebre e na onse ya na Jamaica ho madam nti watu kwan se betafrache akoduru nkran no hu se me ame wo faase ya frɛ no ne oya bunufo champion yi ya frɛ no guru ne record label ni what is a guru Koowaa Show no wakobi Odi okoye na wo se na ade bi da fom. Den abanya management so mkura ne ma bi. Oh boss, amen so me firi bunu na ade kasa yi. Na o kan ya we mu ma me nkura ma mo. Na di na no mu se bere ne nyina na abre. Bere na hunu ba bi agulute. Na obesore da to te ne kwa no boss me sen ka aka bia ye fi a me be hura ma de to aso sa ode on pamo sa it one day wonya no mo ma ne so mu life etomle bi na wo wan risk life na ade bia wo pon sanka na ya ye bedru kuma se enye easy na ye nimsi e pesini atwa ye free goals bedru kuma se and ye hwehwe ba bia mu ko location that's in cable to me 24 kwan sa be 5 times wo ko ye se da eta ada ubetuma ko ko huna ubozo meko seta you dey do am fa na mama no ade ato nso ko oni mo he to aso afemi next agenda se me reset o mo wo so na meko mo twa duane a onka ho because ya voan flaset na na mache nwanwa ubozo obi ade ato afuma ye no afa no wadi nokure obi tim de ne kase o munyina da hotel no na minya ba bi na obeto ko valanda nim se ade be cha matena na mjina kojo nkansa ka ho biga quiz ka ma hura tino no wadumi ana no ye mabufu no obesori metwa ho nyina no acheaw na ni age afi no mu hu me kakrakra minya bi ntwa na o ma pon no aba ne next time obekọ ba bi no na o mu hia ni pa bi no afiri wo sesi e wan si we den ka yi wa ha ni aya okrakra yi ntadi o mso wo ko ya soma no sa ambeto to ni am te data na boy bi aya obo ba huru we mu ka no hu waso wa lumba no no wa lumba na ni am dimirika hanyan go twa ba kwa no mo hu ni ewo mu na wo fra ba etom na bi wa brabo ma unya ne sembo se ne ngofo bi nya no but hunu ni awba ya you get there eno njaze ko bokoro no
what was with your said anya so bokoro no
wa bo da say you crowd ni wi ano akromfo pa na timi wi a
really
so electricity cables no emodu wo ya no mbobọ kitu gu nza so se kure emodu du ya kra na the line no say no na wo mre kura eno nya electrician no oje a oji gu fie no apeka kra bi am wadidi wo obi adwuma bonzo a charge ni bunu a gini nyina go o ya ne dada omu wi apa no de first na ne kro no o ba
asemo nchankota kaka kra no o se ko mo sa de ya nyum tu
we de mama mfa kakra di so
en kaka kra kamo
di o mi se o sa brand here aka mi yedi ni ho ya aka mi yedi ni ho ya
okay
esa se o fe brand na beti kenti si na we na utiminya kukudru itindi kwa prosi wakachi eku this had maji ya pesa branch na ni kuku 8
okay
kuku 8 ba na ewi aseno ya na edu ba bia on se a prosi for no man aduani di saya hon kwa na prosi for me bo mama so for me man aduani di ye na o ma no endai ni ma bi edi
express
no ma yi hu se de woni mu asisi aya yin ya eti anya ye hu se abrati se be pressure say nyame ye na dum na okọ na oba obetimi decide o ye pia ba ebetimi be great wano so na ye ka celebrities I think say obetimi abeka hu bi because na ekuta branch na enye ne kitwa o
no instrument
but we all
tonyomo no enye ne kitwa but say the osika say e come na dey no but if you be so a risk of life
okay
yeah na I say dey ehim
okay
ye nyina ya brepa na editia o ya brepa na editia but o meka say chankota ofrihin oye den and obeji dim e o Ghana ha say ye fa baby said the na operu mbeka me twa kwan sa ma me paboa e fa hi na director na last time o director me no me catch say director o kai me say kai o
kai o pa woni wani ni ye ntino ye asem
diabetes issue no
that say be on out me who be also nya pane so
woni o kai
o kai pa
sa
okay pa
okay
and me bisa ne sent okay me what say me kai na me ni chi wa ni ajaku na le twa na me be war afide o ji o say say kai but ne be twa ne ho kwai me na tifra tonsu
na waba
Chapatre State
na waba
na mabadum me fa a stadium me nam tenten was na mabadum na mabe meeting no me ba industry no na me twro a script writing and
okay
so any entertainment in tina me pese me call bi
ani ase wu nyini ya na abro for so atio because
we ultimate trust script I saying you know you must
I be put it na me ye fatia fatam kroma me na me ye jaku
wa boy adwuma
me na me stories
so far
so
ti do be kan say
abrantie no na me anim no kurani onko no nsam na bi baby minimum bi owi a ai e friend saying oko obi afum
okay
I that is saying
okay
I hu ayitum okowi ai e ma ye jili no so many years me na me court obi me ko witness bi and the way I no also no se jili no on the okopa onkopa no okoba wabeto
I to say we came and how many years
oh we need there
said almost any
asakoya kache no police for kache me there you know mo kakra the young family money
bet 3 years
1 year
ai
when year what you met to me na kan jiji
to me bin so aya na efirifie
sir
because ni pensu radio akra police station yan hwe ho nso
se wonya ba bia ko bia de no
ni tie ko tim de sa ho ni pushi wa akonya amane go emergency ya chi ni nyina achi ni se obi pa o ye krofo pa wa chi na nyum ni woni mukura nka passion na ode ye kire o no wonye but we as adwene ye sen ga kra se ya ye wum ga go asa de ne ho ga so onye mo
na sa wo hwe so a kame akwa say you know now on fili so be wiade no
won ni anete ase a police project na mfo bi no akọ mo nche no so mo apom ye so ade ne ho forget kro no ne kra kromfo bi na ache na obi nyanda nka wo ye nyina wa mo ko ni de ya nti fiefuo so timi ye se wo wati ko ye se wo ye die da wani mti ne ye be pira wo nze hye omu sa akọ fa ko record no fa na wonya akokodo pan na no masa ama nipa ni gina ho chew
na me hemo ashama o hwe Koowaa Kumawood TV me twa me ho magin kratso me ba me final story ne be bro it is in English and I'll read a couple of messages for you as well, so please stay with us. We'll be back.
Dabia me ka se ye wo ahaban ene ye wo ahaban ye nyina ye nim se efre bibi enhaban mfaso be na wo so ye nim so mfaso ndie mu bebere dogu ye mu bebere bo na duro se wo hye ase ahaban gyani fiche wo nim ne ye de ye batre ne se didua na ba fa ahaban no esa yare e ka sa ahaban yankomo kakra be na betuma dia fa ahaban
se ka ahaban bia nim ahaban ena ahaban bia so dwuma aye den eyo ebu ho ye di but ye sa de ye ade foforo. What I say, Ahabaya sebi nipa bibiri ni muno. Sa abankro noa na di enu na afa. Enti se sebi ya de bia ha nipa se daw so bia no. Onye obi onim dia, obi onim Ahabaya. Enche nye boseme nye mi na boseme mienu. Enche Ahabana kro na gise onye obi onimu. Wotimi abo se Ahaban we se idase yebeko enokre. Me gidie ne me bibia ho no. E wo Ahaban mu. Me bompa e kra na se sebi bibi simple kra na bompa ne se nyame se on kire obi a wonim di e wa haban mu because sankyire ne ene ya se bia no be free sraba e free haban kro na mu tu be shi obi to se me a isa pompa e nko na me ne do yare obe ba bia obe che breast cancer for no na e che kakra but se ma do be juwa within 2-3 days bo se ahase nane bo se e ampo bebire ba no ampa afede enane HIV so no 1 month. Hepatitis B 1 month. When you are 1 month straight, because check in every mojan. I had drawn the war, me mom pie or me near suffer. Me doing cinema, me drew kama. It be so bibia. Set me Kumasi Quadaso. Udu so for liar, now afro Quadas Agrica. Ube see what women's training center, and now as a Quadrilla bank. Ofro Agrica. Udo do one ma also Pamagana. Medasi.
wo D4 ene wo D4 o D4 na ye bo awiemfo ba da wo te se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se wo pe ba bi pa wo pe D4 bi de wo ho akobata no a ye wa D4 mu ahodo minimo ha wo kure ha wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha wo behunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene gi se mewom ne se wo yale na ba na kache ha ono ama ba bia wo beda na wama waduane adi kosi se wo benya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne ntiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape kurum ene e wo se woko adiji se bewom ni se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 tiba bia wo hwe bia wetima prepare na wa baby bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na wo ye no 1 fa number na egu afidie ni so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
ya frame na ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo jape kuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa me de medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka wisia mobro wafo bodi ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wuti na wo me wo ba ni nya gidie se wo ba no anase wankasa mu problem na be dey e be solve gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase wo bi o e dey wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me sesi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba ebe pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo ho na be ju nsem me hyewura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be de ba bia wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hweku amese wo de beda anyi achinyi bomode abra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese me number wo hwe makira kwa ade benyam ye 0243 35 65 83 bra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese amen.
Surprise on Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who dreaded there you could brew unsa dawo complaining with sisini kokoa epe ajiwakade Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who draka sepa ne you could brew wunim eyema mani mema Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules eyekoko ni sisi yare draka sepa
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Rotsnasi. Namen save.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brand. Na eyeme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wase se me blabo buye.
Sudi, me bi komo me mami adwamwa.
Hey! What dance ye aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa jodi.
What kaki yeah,
I'm sorry. Obie Timinumbi. I just attend for one woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA, I should share a dreading cat to him. Adia to Musa a year.
Dabia me ka se ye wo ahaban ene ye wo ahaban ye nyina ye nim se efre bibi enhaban mfaso be na wo so.
Alright, so man, you try ho ya Jen Kratoba live on Kumawood TV, streaming on YouTube Kumawood TV. Of course, the final part of the show is here, and it's in English. It is in English. So, Minchankuta, I believe you're ready for my English.
Yeah, so, and like when you go to London. There's a word.
You confidently speak the English, and I'm amazed. You know.
Yeah, you'll be amazed. Understand? Okay. Because something like.
Let me do it. Let me do it, Damadi.
And we're there.
Okay.
So, I'm ready for you.
All right. Okay, so if they are ready for me, now Bukumba also the same be about Betija. He is preaching against bleaching. Or still bleaching, because maybe a somebody is bleeding here. Is like, please allow me to bring my final story offer. Think about the fact that you have a lot of English to put across today. So I am coming on you straight away. Now Bukumba preaching against bleaching because in netic room who said Bukumba maybe you chemo with Musa now or upon who giddy pan or say or pay ambassador to the US. Na the Kobaya and the Wajano preaches Sano when she video name bra when we come going to speak English live here on Koowaa.
I said I swear with you and OKFM if you are bleaching gay when I have some money, don't give me. I promise you, Ghana. I no make bleaching again. I promise you, Ghana. Oliver, bleaching is no good, though.
Tell me about it. What is no good about bleaching?
You know, bleaching, you can get plenty effects.
Like?
I swear. If you make cocoa in Ghana, people they shout me Banku fresh, and my head make big when I stop. Ole ni bini na. Bleaching is no good, Alifas. I swear, me I no bleaching again. I like my own color.
So, how many weeks, how many months did it take you to get your normal color?
Oh, me
to get back.
I know very well. I know the missing. But 2 months I'll go make cocoa right now. If you see me, you can.
No, don't make cocoa. I mean, when you decide to stop bleaching, how long did it take you to come back to this color? No, pau hekpomo benye.
No, speak English. Don't speak I hear you.
Yeah.
2 months. 2 months, and I come back to my color.
What did you do?
The oil that they use, I'm not use again. I they use when they get washing kuto
shea butter.
I they use and my color they come back.
Okay, yes. So your knuckles here, everything has come back to normal. It's not like Fanta and Coca-Cola anymore. Everything is uniform, one color straight.
But you know, see Fanta and beer and anything.
So that's Bukumbanku for us. And before I come to offer and Inchankota quickly on WhatsApp, I want to read about 2 or 3 messages and then I'll come to them. I want them to think about what they're really going to say about the bleaching. I have this message that says that Diane, good morning. Today is Friday. Why is your camera crew not capturing your whole body for us today? I think you have to ask them why they are not showing my legs. You want to see my legs? I won't mind. Shame on you. Good morning, lovely Diane and your crew. I agree with the offer. The man should never actually later handed his son to proper authorities. He did well for shielding the son because the allegations involve murder. So the guy should actually have even beaten him to death. If the dad had not prevented them, I think they or say Bianca, Papa na finance and Bianca, and for boy no ekuno into a year. Say Papa Denebano is seeing now they've come to arrest the man himself and probably he's going to assist them to get the son. This one says, good morning, Diane. I'm Lydia, watching you live from Techiman. I love the program so much. God bless you all. Diane, only your voice, Madam, 100%. Thank you. That's you. This one also says that, okay, I'm skipping this message to the next one. This one says, oh, why? Okay. All right. This message says, good morning, Madam Diane. Send my greetings to Opalumba. I love him so much. From Abdullah. Abdullah, thank you for your message. Wode Abba. I am coming straight to my final story. But before then, this one said, my dear, good morning. That guy has been cursed. We should actually check his background very well. That's why I always say we should never ever do wrong to anyone or say anything wrong to what the person hasn't done. Lumba has said what I am saying. The guy has been cursed. Why do you know? I don't really get the story or what you're saying very well, but I'll come back and then know why. Offer, I am back on what.
Okay, I want to show my face to the world that I'm thinking about my English.
Of course, you're thinking about your English, and I believe strongly. I'll come back and read the rest of the messages.
And
Go
she
ahead.
did it already. So after this program, I have 5+. Okay.
Why? Because you are
By the time you are talking, I'm so aggressive thinking about my English, and I see Oge showing my face to the world that
Didn't you want Oge to show your
is
face?
thinking about the English.
You didn't want your
Not
face
this
to show.
time, dear.
Why?
This time is thinking time.
How is Oge going to know that you're thinking about it?
She is an engineer. You know what she's doing. When you finish, just call Oge and ask Oge that what be her reason. Showing of her uncle's face.
What is that thinking?
Never mind. You let's go. Never mind. It's good that you're looking nice. So if Oge is showing your face frequently, that's all right. You see, people are saying they want to see my legs. I don't know, but I don't want them to see my
They
legs.
think today you wear shorts.
I won't wear shorts again. I told CJ Fashions not to give me shorts again because I want to. From today, I'm going to wear long dresses all through. So let's.
Diane.
Yes, darling.
If you're doing something and it's wrong, you yourself, you know what you're doing is wrong or it's not fair.
Okay.
That's the greatest thing that God did, and I'm proud of it.
Okay.
Once we are all here, if you go to heaven, you know by yourself.
Okay.
That's the reason why sometimes when the terror rain comes, you see some people begin to preach that God help me, don't kill me, I will change. When the terror rain is falling, you will see that you begin to confess your sin. Until any person who is on this earth knows what he's doing is right or not.
Okay.
You all know preaching is not good. And me myself, if I see you preaching, I hate you. Whether you are a lady or a man, I hate you. I don't want to select you as friend. I don't want to be closer to you. I hate preaching.
Okay.
You know why?
Sure.
Preaching brings sense. It destroy money.
Okay.
You spend money rough. If you trying to preach, you spend money rough. Aside, your skin will not look fresh. If you have some kuchan there, then you finish.
What is kuchan?
Kuchan.
Marks.
Yeah, if you have marks there, then you finish.
Okay.
As like bukum banku, you all know you have marks. You have marks. So yes, it show.
Okay.
So I thank God that today, bukum banku relaxed. He came to his man that what he's doing is not good.
His mind.
Yes. So he's now back to his senses. Let me use that one. That one will be okay for me.
Go ahead.
And not the minty.
That's all right. Go ahead.
Yeah. He's now back to his senses that what he did was not right. So he's preaching to others or his brothers and sisters that they should stop preaching. Preaching will not help them. And it's good for him to do that. Okay. Whatever you do, later it will come back to you. So
the bleaching thing that he was doing has actually come back to him.
It come back to him.
So that's why
that makes him be an evangelist today.
Is he an evangelist?
Yes.
Is it because his preaching is
when we say evangelist, do you know evangelist?
No, I get it.
Yes. Yes. So he is evangelist now. But if Bukum Banku was there quietly, not preaching, today you will not come out and say this. So what he did makes him talk today.
He realized that it's bad.
It's bad. So we have to advise. So the pastor should listen to Bukum Banku. He's not a pastor, but he's now preaching against preaching. So if you're a pastor and you are there preaching, that means you are not a pastor.
Okay.
Means you out of
Do we
your
have
sense.
pastors who preach?
Do you want me to list for you?
Don't mention anybody.
They are preaching. I know all of them. The pioneer people and those who use better cream. So you not see whether he's preaching or not. Okay. I know them.
Okay.
So now you have a pastor. He did road, Abuakwa road. He and his wife, they are all preaching. They are all doing church. One pastor, he died. He was he died. his name.
What did they call Ekuro in English?
So O.
So why didn't you say, you know, he died out of salt?
When you blend English and Twi, it's too tasty than English song.
But this is solely English.
Yes, that's why. But
so you do want me to give you 5%?
Always I'm Otum for Nana. You see, so if I speak without Twi, means you calling me from my state to another state. So by the time you go and do this show at Canada, London, Italy, you will see me speaking English. So, but once we are in Ghana here, we have some old woman out there. You don't even hear cook from the English. So I have to, yes. So I have to help all those women so that they will enjoy my show. Okay, if I go strictly English, I will help them. Yes, I will. They would be disappointed in me. That man also died. He's a pastor. He breached. He died.
Okay.
You see, I have one pastor at Accra, preaching of Anakwa. He not die.
But
he lives. Yes.
He's a pastor?
Yes.
Okay.
His name. Who?
Okay. Okay. That's all right.
Hello. E. Okay. Okay. F3. Oh, are they?
What would you say about what Bukum Bako is saying? He's saying that bleaching is not good eventually.
Yeah, let me greet Cook. Yeah. He's my body. I know him very, very, very well. I quite remember we shot the movie bumper to bumper. Yeah. He was around, so by then was my body. You see, bleaching, as we normally say, can cause a cancer to your body. Okay. So he has come out and then review what he has done for people to know that bleaching is not good to the body, or to the human. Yes, he's right. So I will clap for him. Yeah. So
what did you want to do?
I want to say
now you are modulating the show.
No. You see the way.
Why are you interrupting me?
By the time I was talking, I not break like the way.
No. Why are you interrupting me?
You are not a punch. Don't stop the break.
You are interrupting me.
Oh.
Why don't you allow me to say what I want to say?
Just allow him to.
You want to turn it to fight, but it's not fight. I say
let me
end.
But no matter what, I'm going to make sure that he finished his statement. Though.
But let him flow. I just want the flow.
Not flow like what?
Man, this is some patch. What do you?
You finish with yours.
What is all this?
Sorry, sir.
You go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, favorite yet.
I'll end it by saying.
You are ending it.
By saying bleaching is no good.
So you are ending it.
By saying bleaching is no good.
Why do you want to end it? Because I think that a lot you would have said when we're speaking Tree.
Oh yeah. But it's not like I'm ending it just like that.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Order. Next 10 minutes.
You have 10 minutes because yes, I'm picking my calls around 8:25.
Yeah, I've seen certain ladies.
You've seen a certain lady.
Ladies.
Okay. Bleach the skin.
Okay. There's something that you can smell.
What do you smell when you meet them?
Yeah, when you bleach. You become smelly.
Become smelly?
Yes.
Okay. You become smelly?
Smelly.
And what again?
You see? And you see, when you become smelly, even if you pass through even trotro, and you sit beside somebody, you see, the person,
Opa, Don't interrupt him again.
Kra no be mwenti.
I heard him saying kra. But because you add kra, that's why I'm quiet. I don't want to say that. Go ahead with English.
I explain the reason why.
So you go ahead. Inchankota, go ahead. I'm giving you have about 5 minutes to.
When you sit beside somebody
in the church shop,
what
do you see? What do you smell?
You see the person has been rich. You can smell something that's I don't know how to put it in that way.
Try to know. You are saying it, but he said
why are you doing this? Because you want to call no. I don't want.
You are saying something that you say. I don't know how to say it.
Because he's thinking about probably the right word he wants to use.
Yes, I want to put it.
So you just allow him.
Okay.
Everybody wants to know how you know.
Then we are waiting for the word. So know how to say. We are waiting.
I don't know what to say. You are interrupting the show like that. Eh?
That's no. No. Only penny say to other be escape flatter. What do me now? Me tia me din na yo no. Say wonya de. Enya ka wa betin ne pa. Continue.
I will end it too.
Don't end it. Don't end it. You are sweating. Why?
Yes, it's because of the English.
Because of the English.
It's more than cocoa and pakoko. You see? I told you that there are some people they can write but they can't speak. But the guy want to tell me you know more than me.
You see?
So
you see how?
Don't forget where you stay. It's Ojam seat. You sit on Ojam seat, so you can't beat me. If you came and you sit here, I will raise up my hand. But once you sit Ojam in place, you know. What are you telling me? I'm not a kid. Go on. Don't fight. I beg you. I interrupt
you. You are making me speechless.
You see,
don't be speechless. You are so sweating. You go ahead. No, my interpreter. The right person for you to listen to it's me.
Yes, you.
So when I say that, go ahead. Don't listen to Offa. Offa is trying to say that because you're sitting at where Ojam said, and Ojam doesn't know.
You can't speak that. You don't know. Now you turn to Sarkodie. You speak English, you like Sarkodie.
But Sarkodie, even Sarkodie flows more than you.
No, I'm talking about him to do Sarkodie. You do, to say, go.
Go ahead.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah, like, as I was saying.
See how you're sweating.
Yeah, as I was saying, bleaching is no good.
Okay. So everybody should stop bleaching. Both women and men.
Yes.
Everybody should stop. But listen to Bukomba. But do you think that probably he had some problem with the fact that he bleached?
Yeah, maybe as he has come out to review all these things.
Okay.
Maybe he's having a problem with
skin
and all that.
That's why
maybe he's speaking about.
So we should not bleach. Yeah. Well done.
Thank you.
But you sweat too much.
Oh yeah.
Still sweating.
It's so easy.
Clean your face.
You are not talking. Yes.
It's not easy. My telephone lines are open. You can give me a call, picking 5 calls straight away, and then I'll end the show. So call me now. Tompo said that we Akans, we love speaking. Hello, good morning.
Today the callers will speak English.
But I want to say, maybe your friend me free. Now you call. Yanko. Hello, Nana Kwasu Yetio. Wrong line, Yepacho. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so call me. We Akans, we love speaking our language than any other language. That's good, and I love that. We are very proud of our language too. Nobody's saying that we shouldn't be proud of it, but when it's time for English, you have to say, Mama born is here. Yami mo papa now swear. Bibi abe fine. Bibi abe fine. Air constitution so TV free. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. But you're into.
Hello.
Good morning, madam.
Hello.
Okay, Kabrafu Kakra. Where are you calling me from? Hello? Hello, tell me your name. Where are you calling me from? Okay, all right. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, I'm Wale.
Okay, how is Wale Wale?
We thank God. We are watching your program. We're happy.
Thank you so much for watching us. Let me hear you, your contribution.
I want to contribute there.
All right, go ahead.
Then about the British, the focus of completion about the British.
Okay.
No, nowadays, it's not only women who bleach you. Men do bleach, and when you sit beside them inside the car, you will hear some scent.
Wow.
And inside the car, you will not feel okay again.
It's very bad. Thank you so much. And thanks for watching us all the way inside Wale. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, say.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho into.
Yeah, I want to mark the English.
So go ahead with your English.
Good morning. My name is Jaffrey, Boss Jaffrey.
Okay, boy.
I want to mark the English, the name of my and this answer. This answer is good part of her. This answer is good part of her, so English.
Okay, thank you so much. You came to, mark the English. Thank you, my judge. Hello, good morning. Hello. You are hijacking my line. You are not talking. You're on my line. Please talk to me. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. All right. So this message says that Master can speak Kasa louder. Why? Please. I think it's from Tompo. Hello, sir. Good morning. Please let me hear you. Where are you calling me from? Your name? And I catch you.
I'm calling from Kumawood.
Okay.
Yeah. Please, I would like to say this. Please, when somebody is talking, just give him a chance to flow. Because sometimes when you interrupt, the person is confused. That's the reason why I was just repeating himself. You understand? Okay. So sometimes, what exactly he wanted to say was, when you sitting inside the car with the person who is bleaching,
yeah.
At least, the person thinks. Sometimes you can hear thinking things from that kind of person.
Yeah.
So sometimes, at least when you're bleaching, it's not good. That's the reason why this guy was trying to explain himself that he has to stop everything. You understand?
Yes.
He has stopped everything because he just wanted to advise people that whenever you continue doing this, you will spoil your color, it will spoil your skin.
Okay.
And the natural skin that God gave to you, you spoil everything.
Okay.
So please, this is Clement Takrabuahin, Bishop, Dr. Computer One.
What kind of bro for Nibi?
Hey, Takrabuahin. So you came back and then you wanted to. Thank you so much. Hello, good morning. Yes, my dear. Let's hear you.
Okay. Yes, I want to talk about who has talking about that is speaking.
Okay.
Because if you say that you don't good, why are you doing that? Because you are practicing about that.
Your classmate does.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah, I can hear you loudly.
Okay. Let's not put you this way.
Okay.
If you actually want to advise some people, actually tell them that if you are doing that, if you want to about your own.
All right, thank you so much. I don't think I will be able to break any more calls. My papa will be maybe now. So in time, could I have a call for people when they are well? My phone will be the
Yeah, Mama, you could I have Munko. Maybe I'm what if you also feel threatened. Maybe I will find. Now, I could have a Chagos tomorrow. We come from Timbro for Tintiana, the Chagos of mine, and I was able to bra. I don't know who can say a drama and I better myself again. So I say, remember this focusing on Yeshan, she will be. Now, Kokora, Prophet Nakwase, Minkancha Ghana Punyas, and this year you started 27, now 28 Saturday, or more up and Korabe, to only Janaman in effect. So, which is the Archer. Oh, I don't know how we are. Malam say Archer. I know about also Pemubam and Nangua San Nista, Nami whom I could not meet manager. I director to Lantern Roberts, creative director. Okay. Jan Machia, a year from people got director one. Machia, I like Kerry. Okay, Gruza. I like you, Gruza. Oh, okay. No, I market. All right. I'm in our edge so every night, every year, Micha bombs to him, and maybe I will be a Micha when I don't pay. And I say, what shall I saw ladies, just what you and I do a good. I can't say, I'm no refuge. Every boy, okay. Bombs to him, hair. Bombs to him. Bombs to him. When you're saying, yeah, I see every corner. Ashmama, me producer, executive producer, Sam Darkus, Edgy Hipsy, as well as me camera, Kawachi, Ochino's director, Lonio Game, MC, as then call my Dr. Amagana, I do Cyber Center for Sanso, and I debut so Ebema. Bushman International. CJ Fashions with Masame Commander so different I watch a from also a better was Adom Edomia, Edrada, a baby, better for you now so I say, ya crab.
Dabia me ka say ye wo ahaban ene ye wo ahaban ye nyina ye nim se efre bibi en haban mfaso be na wo so ye nim so mfaso ndi ye mu bebre dogu ye mu bebre bo na duro se wo hye ase ahaban